The M777, also known as the Ultra-Lightweight Field Howitzer, UFH, originated as a private initiative led by Vickers Shipbuilding and Engineering Ltd. Based in Britain. Over time, it transitioned into an official replacement for the aging American M198 towed artillery systems, which were utilized by the United States Army, United States Marine Corps, and various other military forces globally. The M198 entered operational use in 1979, with its design roots tracing back to the late 1960s. Approximately 1,600 units of the M198 were manufactured, and they have been extensively deployed in combat operations worldwide. BAE Systems secured the contract to develop and manufacture the replacement for the M198, resulting in the initial pilot version known as the M777. This prototype eventually evolved into the production-ready M777, colloquially referred to as the M777. One of the earliest combat deployments of the M777 occurred during the American military engagement in Afghanistan following its official introduction in 2005. Apart from being utilized by the United States Armed Forces, the M777 has been adopted by the Australian and Canadian armies, with both operating dozens of units. Presently, the U.S. Army and USMC maintain significant stocks of these howitzers in their inventories. The complete M777 system weighs less than 10,000 pounds, making it significantly lighter than its predecessor, the M198 series, within its category. This meticulous engineering focus results in exceptional adaptability and flexibility for the M777 system in the field, enhancing both tactical maneuverability and logistical efficiency compared to the original M198. The M777 can be transported over land using approved utility trucks or by air via various aircraft platforms. Air transport options include the Boeing V-22 Osprey tiltrotor helicopters and the long-standing Boeing CH-47 Chinook tandem-rotor helicopters, with the M777 unit suspended beneath the airframe. Furthermore, the system is fully transportable by fixed-wing airlifters such as the Lockheed C-5 Galaxy, Lockheed C-17 Globemaster III, Lockheed C-130 Hercules, and European-originated Transall C-160 series of transports. The M777 gun and its mount are positioned on a carriage system comprising a split-trail, two-wheeled configuration, consisting of the body and saddle components. When prepared for firing, the M777 assumes a 4-point stance to provide maximum stability and counter the weapon's significant recoil. To further mitigate recoil, a large double-baffled muzzle brake is fitted to the muzzle. Elevation and traverse functions, as well as loading and reloading, are managed at the rear of the weapon near the breech. The M777 requires a crew of 5 specially trained personnel to operate, a reduction from the 9 personnel needed for the M198. The 155mm, 39 calibers, barrel weighs approximately 9,300 pounds, significantly lighter than the 15,700-pound barrel of the M198 series. The M777 achieves a rate of fire of up to 5 rounds per minute, with a sustained rate of 2 rounds per minute. The barrel is designed to withstand 2,650 firings throughout its lifespan. The effective range of the weapon system can be extended to 18.6 miles, 30 kilometers, with the use of rocket-assisted projectiles, RAP, while the base range using conventional projectiles is 15 miles. The incorporation of titanium into the M777's design reduces overall operating weight, albeit at the expense of increased construction costs and complexity. The M777A1 standard, previously known as the M777E1, is equipped with a custom digital fire control system, FCS, that utilizes modern positioning and targeting technology to enhance accuracy. It has replaced the previous generation M198 towed field guns in the U.S. Army and U.S. Marine Service. Another variant, the M777A2, has been in combat use since January 2008. Based on the M777A1, the M777A2 is slightly modified to accommodate the advanced Raytheon Excalibur precision projectile, boasting a range of 25 miles, and features updated software. The U.S. National Guard is also an active user of this gun. As of 2022, the A2 designation represents the latest production standard of the M777 family. Although the weapon originates from Britain, final assembly takes place in the United States at the BAE Systems plant in Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Approximately 70% of the weapon is completed within the United States.